Hello everyone. Let's have an exercise on XLOOKUP. Today's exercise we will go through 5 different examples to demonstrate how we can use XLOOKUP for various cases. So first we will go through how to handle items which are not found. For example, here you can see the yellow highlighted values are reflected as not applicable or not found in the reference data sheet. How to mitigate this, we will learn through today's exercise. Next point that we want to know is how to look for partial match. For example, here we can see a list of name is there, but the target search item is Vasant. This Ajit wasn't how we can identify this and populate the reference value or target value that is required to be populated. Third point that we want to look is how to use a horizontal lookup. Here an example, suppose our reference table is aligned horizontally, then how we can use XLOOKUP to populate the target values. Next, in fourth point, we will go through how to use the two-way lookup function of an XLOOKUP. For example, this is a table where we want to identify based on two conditions, name and maximum bonus. Here, what we can see that we can able to find the value and do it. So let's see how we can achieve this particular target. And the last, we will go through the approximate lookup. Stay with us in this video to learn how to achieve this approximate lookup. So let's see the first point, that how we can handle items which are not found. Here is a table which we have the list of the employee and their respective salary. We want to populate the bonus in front of this, that how much bonus this particular person should get. Here is another sheet which have the list of the employee ID, the percentage bonus and the name. So let's populate this percentage and respective value here by using XLOOKUP. So what is the lookup value? We want to look up this particular name in this lookup array. Or let us freeze it by function key F4. Turn array will be this percentage of salary. Let us freeze this also by function key F4. And we want the exact match. So there is no requirement of putting if not found. Just close the bracket and you can see the value came. But if we do a drop down, we can see a not applicable or not found is coming. So for that, we'll put 0% if not found. And now if we drop, their value will come. But actually what we want, the bonus amount, it is only percentage value. So we'll put multiply this and we'll get the bonus value. Hence, we learned how we can achieve to eliminate the not found values by a target representation. Now, in second point, we are going to see how to look for a partial match. That means we are going to use the wildcard functionalities of XLOOKUP. Coming back to the same data sheet, we'll go and find that if I have a employee name Negi, that is the last name or any middle name, I want to populate here what should be the bonus. when we use XLOOKUP, what will happen? The lookup value is this, and I want to look in this array and freeze it function key F4, and what return array should be there? I want to see the bonus function key F4, and just what happened? The not found is come. But for this, what we will do? We will go here. We will use one additional thing. We do not want to find a not found. We'll go for this match mode where we have the wildcard character. Now, if we use this and search, then also value will not come because we have to define here in the lookup value what exactly we want to see. As if it is a last name, use and double inverted comma asterisk, double inverted comma, and you can see again that this is the bonus of Negi. But if suppose I want to write here Kumar, it will give. But if I want to put a John, which is in middle of this, it will create a mess up. For this, what we can do, again we can put an ampersand, double inverted comma, asterisk, and double inverted comma, and done. Here you can see a 0 bonus is coming because he don't have any bonus. So let me put some value and you can see. This is how we can use the wildcard formula or the value functionalities of XLOOKUP to identify the name with partial match. Moving down the line, let's see the third point, how to use the horizontal lookup via XLOOKUP. Coming back to same sheet, I have just removed the bonus value and now we are going to deploy. Earlier this particular reference sheet was in vertical align. Now I have in horizontal align, which have the name of the employee and the salary bonus percentage. So what we will do, we will use the same XLOOKUP functionality. Lookup value is this one. In the lookup array, this one, shift control right arrow, freeze these by function key F4, close. Now lookup return value should be the percentage one, shift control right arrow, fix this function key. As if no bonus is there, then just return value 0 and just enter. So we can see the value came. Now if we drag, we get the bonus value. But this is not only the bonus percentage, but it is not right to have a currency value. So it should be multiplied with this, and hence we got the value of the bonus. This is how we can use to XLOOKUP for horizontal reference. Yeah. Next, coming back to the fourth point, that is down the line in our topic, is the how to use two-way lookup. Let's learn it. Same sheet, what we can do, that I have added a next column, the revised salary. That will be a sum of these two, and the salary reflected here. Now let us put two conditions. One is for the name, go to data validation, go to list and select all. So I get a drop down of the name. Now this is let me color it so that it can be easily identified. Now let put the second condition, go to data validation, select the list, and here we'll select this. Okay, now we can see this. Now what we want to populate is, this is my first condition, this is my second condition. So if I select Aditya Anand and I want to see the bonus, the value should become here. So what we'll use XLOOKUP. What lookup value we want to see? First condition, lookup array from here. No need to freeze it. And value will be anything from here to here. And what is there? This return value should be come from the condition number 2. So here we will use one more XLOOKUP. The lookup value will be this one. From the lookup array, this should be a return value. Just close, enter. Now you can see that if I want to select, suppose I have selected Ajit Vasant and I want to see the salary, then this is the salary and this is Ajit Vasant, and hence we can see the value is populated here, 17,000. This way we can use the two-way search lookup via XLOOKUP. Now coming down the line, the last topic, that is fifth point, is our approximate lookup. How we can use it by XLOOKUP, and it is really interesting to go through it. Going back to the sheet, we have one new thing, that is, suppose company declare that it will provide a additional bonus of this much percentage based on the salary they get, as in this week. So let us insert a column, mention it, the new bonus, or we can take additional bonus that can be achieved. But what is there? The condition, if a salary is up to 5,000, it will get 10%. Something between these two will get 9.5%. Something between this will get this, like that. Something between this will get, suppose you are in the salary slab 5,000, you will get this. 7,000 to 500, this, like that it is. So now let's search what is coming. Use XLOOKUP. Lookup value, what lookup value we want to see? This. And in the table array, this. Let freeze it. Return value should be this one. Let us freeze it. And we do not want to use this if not found. We want to use match mode, as if the -1 will be used, because something, this is a top limit. Up to this will get this. So use this -1 and just close it, enter. Now this is also required to be multiplied with the salary. Or let us first see what is coming. Suppose you can see the salary is 21,000, coming 7%. How it is coming? Because it is something in between this and this. So as if this is below this, but it is higher than this, so it is getting 7%. So let's multiply it. First, let's make it general. Multiply it with the salary. You will get the valuation. So this is the way how you can use a range, or you can tell an approximate analysis via. Let us summarize what we have learned today. We have learned 5 different use cases of XLOOKUP. First is how to handle not found cases, how to use wildcard for partial match, how to use XLOOKUP for horizontal lookup in place of HLOOKUP. Fourth, how we have used two-way lookup, and fifth is how we have used for range for approximate lookup. Thank you for watching. If you like this video and if you want more tips and tricks, kindly follow us and don't forget to click bell icon. Thank you. Have a nice day.